Bongo ideas today on X. AYɛKa say na Democrat ho, MPP for crat ho. How can you tweet some? I've come to the realization, say, the NDC has successfully infused political hatred amongst we Ghanaians. Why do I say this? Say the lily man kind of pepe. Yet on my way mu, and we saw and voice, if you can recall, say I just started paying attention. I think last year, this October, and I'm saying about wait so I had not been following, for the past 8 years, what has been going on in Ghana. And then no videos no be tweets now me who know. I'm shocked. Say,
is it from Sam George?
Sam George, Sammy Jimfi.
Oh, sorry.
Some of these people were wanting Nana Addo Bawumia to die.
Yeah.
In the name of what? Nana Addo Ombefa Sekai ain't Chamunyanum Kom Anamu parents. Bawumia hasn't done same. All because they decided to come and serve the country. And then you on the opposing side, and because you are hungry for power, just said these people they had no boundaries, so none. And it's so sad that almost succeeded in say the Mekai and infusing that amongst no, especially the youth. That to the extent say Honorable Kuma Ewu, the kind of politics. I mean, even recently your friend is saying Honorable now we no Akwetia MP no.
Yeah, Ernest Kumi.
Ama Taylor, ne ex so. Was like I didn't na morning or now obi oko hell there. Why? Are you God? Do you know so obi wa unim say oko heaven na hell? Nyakopon pen. But because of say the party colors no different say MPP need ya and we kra fire ho ye so owu kra na ye bosi bongo ideas today on X AYɛKa say na Democrat ho MPP for crat ho. How can you tweet something like that? How can you tweet something like that? Or y'all say Abba and me said if there's ever been a helicopter crash
Not
in
one
Ghana.
we can remember.
Okay, so this is a huge tragedy, Abba, and with this magnitude, you want to turn things around and start blaming the NPP for what? NPP for for what? Money new year. That the Lumba swab tosso, and then we have two ministers are Omewu, and all some of the NDC people could think of ASA, they are pointing fingers at the NPP, Nana don't want it to hold heading. This political hatred now, really sad. It's really sad because at the end of the day, we are all human beings, and then we are all Ghanaians before a political party. The mere fact that you are an NDC and an MPP does not make us enemies. Okay, we are just on different opposing views or sides. So utu kwaya yembisa so ye MPP nya na ye NDC no yembisa say if na free. Where do you come from? What's your nationality? And you're gonna say Ghanaian. Intino the American say NDC for Munjai. Stop it. I would have thought, and I would be Ebedrin say we yabano omobesa, but no. And I want to really commend the NPP. You see, Boss Virus wrote a tweet, say Ochinchin, social media, and majority tweets post away from the NPP, we sympathizing with the families, the governments, and of course the victims of the helicopter crash. I want to commend the NPP. Say we are not using this to say hey and that's no. I mean obi wa the session. Ubi like miss ubi so obi wuna say what are you gaining from that? You're not gaining nothing. Into no voice, madam, and we see all I'm seeing is that NDC for no stop it. Asem na ban rebosem. Okay, and I want to say rest in peace to the 2 ministers and all the government officials that were on board, and then the pilots as well.
Thank you so much, Miss MPP. Yo, for I only have 20 minutes left, right? And you're managing so that at 11 people na question there. You see more exams full. Therefore, 2 minutes on the pastors. Then I'll come to. Is this Ike? Then appear to then Peaceman, Campus, then we wrap up. Yeah, therefore pastors also was in make up for more.
Yeah, the voice. Maminka as of for them. Video be na sofu be ka obu ni din se on frɛ no. But Maminka so nwenkyerɛ nyame adifo se nyame de asensoma wa ɔma ohu a na ɛwɔ die nti a ɔma ohu ye. Ebi o ha wuntimi nya ho ade, but the best na obetima ya ne say you get in touch with the person or involved no na wabona amane say asem say na maye den anase bibi say na mahu indi say nipa no say wanya den oho no na why wa from the ebi o ha woka kire no kwa would you say
so only need ebi only nipa ne naba
o ka say last me so there me frɛ wo ka kire o.
Yeah,
you try your best, do what you can do.
Yeah.
Me nya sofo ba most of the sofo no asofo no omo Ghana no omo wo nipa be omo wo connections be bra beti ma wo nya ne number, but I say ye hwe o person ye sofo na o person ye powerful a say we o mi hu kan na si e ma onye powerful say nyame person isi anko wanya ankyerɛw
Ghana phones no no there's a video of the same pastor no. Last week he had to be defending himself on radio where he gave a date and nothing bad happened on that date. You see the Ghanaian mentality. And sometimes in Ghana, no, it is more like when you say it and it happens, that's when we know that
no, me the voice me so the enemy who are there. What me sorry the next move I me and say I try as much as possible to get me years of to get software obetima interpret ya mame. Me pe osofo anase obi a obetima interpret amame na mabisa the next move if se me munipa na amane ana obi o unze obi o akra obi o na adwene kra ni utim ba obetima so de afa na won say nipa smeti bi say ebi na nyame fa oso ma wayi ebi kra nipa na ohu no na enye say nipa no na obi a obenwo ba de bi anye nanim na ohu ye enti say o twen say bibi nsi na say esi wia na o kasa o ye powerful me to me no me hu say o ye powerful me hu say o ye weak because say wo na say wantima anya hu bibi na nipa na wu a wo worry and there's nothing you can do about it nti me source of for no say in case o hu ebebre hu a o ntimi nya ho hwe normal hu na say o ntimi nya hu bibi a find a way o betuma nya sofo bia o nso betuma ye hu bibi o betuma asi ana kwan na ye nyina ye dey chance because I try say bibi ni besi enye say Ghana for be kase o hu na ensi ebi okro obi wa na ka te nipa na ensi me so de na me ka kire wa ensi ba sa me so de na me kipo ebesi
yo
ndi no esi wie na me ka so me so de hu ni si ya na me no maye opapa na maye obone ndi edu ba bia yesra asofo no yesra mo sa mo de simoni sambe nyame adwuma nyani sin na ya hwehwe ba kwa na ebefa so ebesi ano ndi nyame yi kirew no oyi a cho se unsi ano ndi oyi a kirew ba onyi cho se be ka kire na mo omu nkɔhye akire ma yinsi na yakasa waben no ene nche so yesofo me that's the voice
that's so therefore ebusan for as I said aka 16 minutes but